Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to join the official Gorilla Tag Discord. First of all, you need to go to your web browser and type in Gorilla Tag Discord server. Hit the enter key to search for it. Then click on the first link that will appear in your results. It's Discord's official website. Here, you need to put the display name, then click on Continue. Next, do a verification process by solving the puzzle to confirm that you're not a robot. After confirmation, click on Next, then verify by clicking the Verify option. After that, set date of your birth to verify your age. Now claim your account by entering an email and password. Here, you will see the rules for new members on your server. This is how you can join the official Gorilla Tag Discord. You are now a member of the Gorilla Tag Discord community. Feel free to explore the various channels, participate in discussions, ask questions, and interact with other players. Remember to be respectful and adhere to the server's rules and guidelines while interacting with the community. Engaging positively and contributing to the discussions can lead to a more enjoyable experience for everyone. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.